I'm here perusing these fantastic oils.
Well, welcome to Dakota Naturals.
Super happy to be here. I was noticing I've been called a couple of things around the neighborhood, and I see if you could help me with that.
Dusty Darren!
Dusty, what?
Yeah, I've been known to be dusty, time to time. You write your name on my ankle, watch.
No.
Notice that.
No. We gotta fix that.
So what I'm gonna do now,
We gotta fix that, yes.
I'm gonna have a shave and a haircut. Would you demonstrate how to possibly put some on my...
There you go, sir.
Oh, look at that.
2 pumps.
2 pumps is all you
Might be
need.
able to do both legs.
Rub it in, gentle with the hands. Then I'm gonna go down. And oh man, you feel that? Woo! Son, if you don't know, look at the emollients. The skin glistening now. Try to write your name, Darren. I can't do it because I'm lotioned up correctly.
And you
You're out there?
smell so good.
Sister, shaving a haircut. I feel like I just got one.
Sure he does. Ow. Ow.
They said treat yourself, and we understood the assignment. Stress Baked serves up cookies, muffins, and pastries that hit harder than your morning coffee. Fresh, handmade, gone in minutes. Seriously, blink, and they're snatched. No crumbs, no regrets. Just stress relief in a box, with sprinkles. Get yours before they disappear again.